Hey everyone, and welcome to Living Life with Kanika. I'm taking this Canson sheet and taping it all, and now I'm writing my quote on it. Be sure that the quote you write is a little bit light, and after writing the quote, I will tape them all. Now I'm using my watercolors and will start painting my small branches. I'm using my water brush pen, my all-time favorite. You can also use the water brush pen and can see the water brush pen video in the description box below, and you can also see on it at the suggestion video on I button. So I am using a color viridian hue, and I mix that color with white and will make leaves like. And my dear all friends, do watch the video till the end, because watching video till the end will improve your skills of painting. Now I am painting these small circles. After painting this circle, at the end I'll use my pen to enhance my detailings and it will look more beautiful. But at now point it is looking okay, but after that it will look more beautiful when I'll start my work with pen. Now it's time for wow. I'm using my Uniball fine grip, that is 0.2, for painting out this wall. And see, I'm painting my marigold. From here I will paint my roses and I'll outline it. I will outline my flowers and I'll outline my marigolds, I'll outline my roses, I'll outline my leaves, so it will look more beautiful. My dear friends, have patience, as in my all video it's just the same. I used to say have patience while painting, have patience while going through fine detailing, as it will enhance your skill as well as it will improve you as well. Now I am peeling off my tapes. Make sure, be careful while peeling your tapes, it doesn't ruin your paper. So this is the final look of the painting, and do subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos and hit the bell icon. Till then, stay safe. Bye.